I'm going to attempt to make a homemade cheesecake. I usually just buy that little box that says cheesecake mix because it's quick and easy. Now, we have a friend named Betty. She makes the best cheesecake I have ever eaten in my life. And she moved out of Tennessee. Why did you leave me, Betty? I don't get my cheesecake fix anymore. I'm going to attempt this, and I hope this goes well. And Betty, if you're watching, don't cringe. Don't cringe. Just don't cringe. I thought I'd make the crust out of a carrot cake mix. Not sure how this is gonna go, but the way I see it is you use graham crackers and you crush them up. So why can't you do a cake mix? I'll just put this stick of butter in it instead of the oil. I'll be back. It's just all trial and error. Trial and error. Go ahead and get your cream cheese out. It's supposed to be soft and we're supposed to get it out 30 minutes before we make the cheesecake. So I'm gonna lay it right here. So I'm a little bit scared of this pan. I have never used one of these. That's almost through baking, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started making the actual cheesecake. I looked up a recipe. I think it might have been a Martha Stewart recipe. It just looked really easy. What it calls for is sweetened condensed milk, some cream cheese, and I left that out for 30 minutes, like Martha Stewart said, and also some lemon juice and some vanilla. I mean, that's pretty simple. I think. Got my old Sunbeam mixer here. This was actually given to me by Betty. Thank you, Betty. I love it. I've used it a lot. My cake out of the oven and it's done. I'm going to go ahead and make the cream cheese filling. Go ahead and add that cream cheese. I'm going to blend this cream cheese first. We're supposed to slowly add the sweetened condensed milk. See what it tastes like. My goodness, it was good. It didn't say to spray the Springform pan, but I'm going to. I'm going to. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's see if I can do this crust. So, I think I'm going to take half of it. I'm just going to crumble it up. I'm going to use this to mash it down. This actually worked great, so I hope it comes out okay. Go ahead and pour in this filling. Now we're supposed to put this in the refrigerator and let it chill for about 2 hours. And I'll be back. I'm here to tell you it tastes good. Okay, so we're gonna unlock it. And I'm just gonna run a knife around here. Yes, I think. Look at there, awesome. It turned out great. I'm gonna put this on my fancy cake plate, but it's rather thin, so I'm thinking just a plate. It's just me and my husband. You can double this recipe. And now we're going to decorate it. Just gonna drizzle some caramel on top. Maybe a little bit more. I'm going to take the rest of the cake and I'm just gonna crumble some on top. That's my first homemade cheesecake ever. Look, Betty. Crust actually turned out good. Can you believe it? I'm gonna eat this. That's not too bad. Now let's see what it tastes like. This is good. Not as good as Betty's, but it's good.